This is OPPO Reno12 FS, and today I'll show how you can fix the Wi-Fi connectivity issues on this device. So I recommend that you begin by making sure that your date and time are properly synchronized, and the way to do that on this phone is to launch the device's settings. Here enter the additional settings category, then open date and time preferences, and activate set time automatically and set time zone automatically options. Then you can also try toggling the Wi-Fi feature off and on by entering the Wi-Fi category of your settings and toggling this little switch. Then you can also try to forget the network your phone is currently connected to, and then reconnect to the very same network to see if it will fix the issue. And the third step that you need to take or that you may want to take in order to fix those Wi-Fi connectivity problems is to reset all your network settings. So in order to do that, once again, we will need to return to the additional settings category. Here go for the backup and reset, reset phone, and reset network and Bluetooth settings. Then press reset to confirm, and here you have it. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.